All right, that literally took forever to get ready, but we're ready now. We're gonna hit the road. I've had this bike for 2 days now and it's already making a sound like it's dying. So that's cool. I might pull over right here. There's a bunch of potted flowers. See if there's anything interesting going on in there. Okay, we're off to a new location, so we didn't really get anything too good there. Ah, don't kill me. Off to our second location. An underrated new addition into my camera bag. This guy, chair on the go. Now, I can sit here and take photos. So much better than not having it. I realize that's not a good argument, but you just have to take my word. Pack up my chair. I'm gonna hit the road. See what else we can find out there. Alrighty, on the road again. Ugh. Oh, no way, dude. Did you guys just see it fly away? There's this freaking pelican that's been like perching up on this thing right here in the water. And I've been wanting to get a photo of it. And I hadn't had my telephoto out with me until today. I literally just broke out the lens and then he flew away. Shit. Damn, I wanted to get the pelican really bad. That sucks. Can you see the little duckies though? Oh fuck, shit, there he goes. Oh, dude, no. Come back, dude. Oh, fucking hell. Anyway, I'll have to come back here, I guess, again tomorrow, see if I can get him. All right, so I'm just on the trail now. I see this like nice flower. So maybe I'll stop here and capture that. So nothing too amazing. I think we'll move on and see what else we can get. If you're curious what kind of bike I'm riding, this is the Tilt 500 from the Decathlon here in South Korea. It was 360,000 won, or on the day, 287 US dollars. Okay, to our final location. Here we are. This will probably be our last location for the day. Ooh, baby. Okay. Alright. I think that'll be it for today. So this is kind of random and doesn't really pertain to the video, but I saw this little like stream. Look, how pretty is this, guys? There's someone crossing now with their bike. Very cute. I'm always discovering new places here in Korea. I really love that. This reminds me of like some people's Animal Crossing islands. You know how they like do the 1-by-1 path? Yeah, this is cute though. Okay, I'm tired now. Time to go home. Okay, I think that's gonna be it for me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, thanks so much, and I'll see you in the next one.